Welcome. I'm glad you're here. This session is a gentle introduction to meditation, a moment to discover or rediscover what it means to simply be present. Before we begin, settle into a comfortable position. You can sit on a chair, on a cushion, or even lie down. Choose whatever allows you to feel relaxed, yet awake. Let your body slowly find a stable posture. Your shoulders soften. Your face relaxes. And if you feel comfortable, you can gently close your eyes now. We'll start by bringing our attention to the breath. Nothing to change, nothing to control, just noticing. Simply follow the natural movement of your breathing, the air entering and the air leaving. Maybe you can feel the coolness of the inhale and the warmth of the exhale, the belly rising and falling. Let the breath become your anchor, a simple, always available point you can return to come back to the present moment. And if the mind wanders, which it naturally will, don't worry, it's normal. Each time you notice it drifting away, gently guide your attention back, without judgment, without pressure, as if you were kindly guiding a friend. Now take a moment to feel your whole body at once, the sensation of its weight, the points of contact with the floor or the chair, the subtle way your breath moves through your entire body. You don't have to do anything other than be present with whatever is happening, here, now. If you wish, expand your attention even further to the sounds around you, the sensations on your skin, the temperature of the air. Let everything be just as it is. There is nothing to modify, analyze, or understand. Only observing, welcoming, being present. Meditation is not about emptying the mind, nor about reaching a particular state. It is simply a practice of returning to yourself, to presence, to gentleness. It's normal for the mind to talk. It's normal for emotions to arise. And it's normal if you feel restless or very calm. Everything is welcome here. Everything has its place. Before we end, take one last moment to feel a deep breath. Inhale through the nose and slowly exhale through the mouth. Once more. Inhale and release. Feel this small space of calm you've just created. Now gently bring your attention back to the room around you. Move your fingers and toes. Stretch if you feel like it. And when you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Thank you for meditating with Mindful Peace Hub. And most importantly, take a moment to thank yourself. You took this time for you, for your inner peace, and that is already a profound act of care. You can return to this introduction as often as you need, and if you'd like to go further, the full sessions are waiting for you on my Patreon.